China is winning the clean energy race. It is investing heavily in renewable energy sources. This commitment has placed China at the forefront of the global clean energy transition. No one is as dedicated to a green future as China. In 2022 alone, China invested almost $546 billion in clean energy technologies. This is far more than the United States investment of $119 billion. Europe invested $280 billion, which is significantly less than China. These figures highlight China's commitment to dominating the clean energy sector. With this financial power, China is shaping the future of clean energy. It is rapidly becoming the world's leading manufacturer of key technologies. These include solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicle batteries. This manufacturing dominance further strengthens China's position as a clean energy superpower. China's dominance in solar panel manufacturing is striking. This country produces 80% of the world's solar panels. This dominance extends throughout the entire supply chain. China controls the production of raw materials like polysilicon. It also leads in the manufacturing of solar cells and modules. Controlling the solar supply chain gives China a significant competitive advantage. This allows Chinese companies to offer solar panels at lower prices than their competitors. As a result, solar energy has become much more affordable worldwide. This has led to a global surge in solar installations, further strengthening China's leadership. China's commitment to solar energy is not limited to exports. This country is also aggressively installing solar panels within its own borders. It currently has the world's largest installed solar capacity, providing clean electricity to millions of people. This dual approach of domestic deployment and global exports highlights China's comprehensive solar strategy. China's dominance is not limited to solar panels. It also encompasses another crucial aspect of clean energy: battery technology. Specifically, China has established a commanding lead in the production of lithium-ion batteries, which are essential for electric vehicles and grid-scale energy storage. This dominance stems from China's control over a significant portion of the world's lithium reserves. Additionally, Chinese companies have invested heavily in battery manufacturing capacity. This strategic positioning has made China the world's largest producer of lithium-ion batteries. This battery dominance has global implications. As the world transitions towards electric vehicles, access to affordable and high-quality batteries is crucial. Leadership in this domain gives China a significant advantage in shaping the future of transportation. Furthermore, grid-scale energy storage is vital for reliably integrating renewable energy sources into the grid. China's battery prowess places it at the forefront of this critical technological advancement. China's clean energy prowess extends to wind energy as well. This country is home to the world's largest installed capacity of wind power, surpassing all other countries combined. This achievement is due to a combination of factors, including government support, technological advancements, and vast wind resources. China has invested heavily in research and development, leading to the production of increasingly efficient and cost-effective wind turbines. This technological progress, coupled with favorable policies and abundant wind resources, has driven the rapid expansion of wind power in the country. China's dominance in wind energy is further strengthened by its manufacturing capabilities. The country is a leading producer of wind turbines both for domestic use and export. This manufacturing strength, combined with its vast installed capacity, solidifies China's position as a global leader in wind power. Section 5. A United Front, National and Local Policies. China's success in clean energy is no accident. It's the result of a well-coordinated and concerted effort at both the national and local levels. The central government has set ambitious targets for renewable energy deployment and carbon emission reductions. Local governments are then tasked with implementing these targets through specific policies and initiatives. This top-down approach ensures that the entire country is moving towards a unified goal. National policies provide a clear framework and direction, while local governments have the flexibility to tailor implementation based on their specific circumstances. Section 6. The Carbon Neutrality Pledge. China's commitment to clean energy is further reinforced by its pledge to achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. Announced in 2020, this ambitious goal has sent ripples throughout the global community. It signals China's determination to transform its economy and become a leader in the fight against climate change. The carbon neutrality pledge has profound implications for China's energy policies and urban development strategies. It necessitates a fundamental shift away from fossil fuels towards renewable energy sources. Cities, as centers of economic activity and energy consumption, play a crucial role in achieving this goal. In response to the carbon neutrality pledge, Chinese cities are implementing innovative policies. These include promoting energy efficiency in buildings, expanding public transportation networks, and investing in green infrastructure. The goal is to create more sustainable and livable urban environments while reducing carbon emissions. Section 7. Cities leading the charge. Chinese cities are at the forefront of the country's clean energy revolution. They are implementing innovative policies and initiatives to promote renewable energy, reduce pollution, and create more sustainable urban environments. These efforts are driven by a combination of national directives, local ambitions, and a growing awareness of the need for climate action. Many Chinese cities have set ambitious targets for renewable energy deployment, often exceeding national targets. They are investing heavily in solar and wind power, as well as other clean energy technologies such as geothermal and biomass. These investments are creating jobs, reducing pollution, and enhancing energy security. Cities are also implementing policies to curb transportation-related emissions. This includes promoting electric vehicles through subsidies and the development of charging infrastructure. Many cities are expanding their public transportation networks, making it easier and more convenient for residents to choose sustainable transportation options. Section 7. Cities leading the charge. Chinese cities are at the forefront of the clean energy revolution. They are implementing policies to promote renewable energy and reduce pollution. These efforts are driven by national directives and the need for climate action. Many Chinese cities have set ambitious targets for renewable energy. They are investing heavily in solar and wind power. These investments are creating jobs and reducing pollution. Section 8. A global comparison. China's rise. China's approach to clean energy stands in stark contrast to that of the United States and Europe. While these regions have made some progress in promoting renewable energy, they lag far behind China in terms of investment, deployment, and manufacturing capacity. The United States, in particular, has been hampered by policy uncertainty and a lack of consistent government support for clean energy. The Trump administration's rollback of environmental regulations and withdrawal of the United States from the Paris Agreement undermined progress made during the Obama era. Europe has made more consistent progress than the United States, but still lags behind China. While European countries have implemented ambitious renewable energy targets and policies, they face challenges related to grid integration, permitting processes, and public acceptance. Section 9. The power of scale and modular design. One of the key factors contributing to China's success in clean energy is its embrace of modularity and economies of scale. By standardizing designs and producing components on a massive scale, Chinese companies can manufacture solar panels, wind turbines, and batteries at a lower cost than their competitors. This focus on modularity also simplifies installation and maintenance, further reducing costs and accelerating deployment. Section 10. Lessons for the world. China's success in clean energy offers valuable lessons for other countries seeking to transition to a more sustainable future. By emulating some of China's strategies, nations can accelerate their own clean energy deployment, create jobs, and reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. One crucial lesson is the importance of consistent government support. China's success stems in large part from a long-term vision for clean energy, backed by supportive policies and substantial investments. Other countries should follow suit and create a stable policy environment that encourages investment in renewable energy. Another lesson is the power of setting ambitious targets. China's carbon neutrality pledge and its ambitious renewable energy targets have created a sense of urgency and fostered innovation. Other countries should set similar goals to drive progress and demonstrate their commitment to a clean energy future. Section 11. The path forward. China's emergence as a clean energy superpower presents both opportunities and challenges for the world. On the one hand, China's dominance in manufacturing and deployment is driving down costs and making clean energy more accessible globally. On the other hand, concerns remain about intellectual property protection, labor practices, and the environmental impact of China's rapid industrialization. Despite these concerns, China's leadership in clean energy cannot be ignored. The country's actions are having a profound impact on the global energy landscape, accelerating the transition away from fossil fuels. Other countries should learn from both China's successes and challenges as they chart their own course towards a more sustainable future. The clean energy race is far from over, but one thing is clear: China is setting the pace, and the world is watching.